Before formal welding, manual tack welding is performed for positioning. The weld piece is clamped on a positioner, which drives it to rotate. The welding torch moves steadily along the circular weld for welding. Equipped with a vision system, the machine uses lasers and cameras to locate the weld seam and automatically generate a motion path. The system adjusts the welding path in real time to ensure stable and high-quality welding. The tongue area of the volute cannot be welded automatically and requires manual field welding. We adopt 3 welding processes: MIG welding, TIG welding, and laser welding. MIG welding is the main method. It can weld a variety of materials, including carbon steel, stainless steel, galvanized sheet, and other metals. Housing robotic auto welding machine realizes automatic and unmanned production. It improves welding quality and efficiency while reducing labor demand. The welds are firm and aesthetic. The whole machine does not require a complex full computer control system. It features a simple structure and easy maintenance.